Yeah, my people, I greet you. It's me and only me, NDS Opinion TV. Your brother will always bring in his own mindset. I don't show face with this story. But before I say my mind, I better listen to these songs. Yeah, don't show. You have heard the music. Yes, the music is in Igbo language. And the music is simple saying, he who does good does it to himself. You see, the Nigerian leaders believe that they are doing us a favor when we persuade them or when we protest or when we are asking them to build better hospitals, roads, schools, social amenities, recreational centers, things that adds to the meaning of life, things that flavor the life most. They travel abroad, seeing all these things, but when they come back home, they find it difficult to execute and carry out a particular project that will replicate what they have heard or what they have seen abroad. Other leaders of the world, when they travel abroad, they try to bring back home what they have seen. But in the case of Nigerian leaders, no, they only thought they are doing us favor. Ike Ekweremadu, in no doubt, if I'm not mistaken, should be one of the long-serving politicians in Nigeria since the inception of democracy in Nigeria. Ike Ekweremadu had been on the corridor of seat of power. But I wonder if maybe in his own consistency he has been able to build any meaningful projects. Like, what does it take for him to build a standard hospital in his own area? Let's just take it from there. Let's not nationalize it for now. What does it take him to build a standard hospital, well equipped, well furnished, as one of the long-serving politicians in Nigeria? If he had built a better hospital, probably this operation or this kidney transfer, whatever, would have been done at home, either legally or any other way, maybe through a consensus reached between him and whoever that show concern. And he does that without facing this humiliation. Let me just remind you that Ike Ekweremadu has been sentenced to 10 years imprisonment, and the wife will serve 4 to 5 years, and the doctor in question will also serve 10 years jail term. You see, the Nigerian leaders, in their widest imagination, they will never believe that such a thing can happen. But today, a one-time deputy senate president, and call it whatever you can think of. Ike Ekweremadu had it all. Just because of kidney transplants. Today his political career has been dragged to mud. Today his name has been dragged to mud. Today everything about Ike Ekweremadu is now a sad story. Even people that shouldn't even mock or laugh at him are now using that opportunity to laugh at him. And he deserves it, because when they fail to do the needful, karma will always have its own way to catch up with them. Here in Nigeria, they abuse and bastardize the judicial system. They always have the money back to buy the politicians, to buy the judiciary, to give a judgment at their own favor. But there in UK, it is not the same. It is not that way. UK stands for rule of law, and that is why they have a functionable government. Unlike Nigeria, where the judiciary has been pocketed, they only become just a rubber stamp. He will never believe it that UK will nail him this hard. He may be thinking that maybe it will be a thing of maybe 1 week, 2 weeks, or a month jet time. But today, look at where Ike Ekweremadu has just ended up, because of what they failed to do. I wish that other Nigerian politicians will face this kind of music that they just drawn for Ike Ekweremadu. I wish that the judiciary of Nigeria will borrow a leaf from what the UK judiciary, the lawyers, the law, just like we have between the case of the election tribunal between Ahmed Tinubu and Peter Obi and PDP. Can the Nigerian judiciary use this medium to salvage their image, to bring their name to a Guinness Book of Record? Can they print their name in gold by giving a fair judgment that yes, enough is enough of money buying law or buying victory in Nigeria? To say enough is enough for money buying over judgment in Nigeria. Ike Ekweremadu, at least you should cool your head off this time around, knowing fully well that money can buy anything in Nigeria, but it can't buy everything in outside world, in Western world. It's only in Nigeria you can use your money to buy whatever you want to bought over, but there you cannot. So my people, Mona just see and say Ike Ekweremadu just land himself into Gbeza. Where we say today, he never believe him. I just say I bring this one give you now. Say Ike Ekweremadu don't go jail. At least for there, he ain't gonna sing the songs of Had I Know. I bet my people, as this video gets to you, best you can do for me is to help me share this video. Help me share this video. Help me share this video. Make your brother to go viral.